Hello friends, in this video I will explain you how you can add multiple images in the same photo in Photoshop. So I'm gonna open one image here. So let us set this one and just drag that image onto the Photoshop and it will be opened. And you can see that as soon as I add the image, it is added as a layer here. You can see right hand side. The layer is created and it is locked, so to unlock just double click and then it will be unlocked, then you can edit this photo. But let us say you want to add another image here, then how you can do that. So for that, all you have to do is just drag and drop another image there, and then it will be added as another layer there. So you can see another layer is created. Just click on this tick mark at the top. And that image is added. Select this move tool and then you can move it around like this. So as you can see, multiple images are created, and then if you save this file as JPG, save as JPG, then the photo that will be created will contain both these images. That's how you can create multiple or add multiple images in the photo. So you can add many more images like that. It will create layers, and if you select this layer and make any changes here, only that layer will be impacted. For example, if I erase something here, so let us rasterize this layer first. And let us try to erase. You can see that it is not erasing this the photo that is in the first layer, that is layer 0, because right now we are on the layer, this layer, and you can see that this layer contains this photo. So if I remove this, you can see that background, as you can see, as I delete it, the layer underneath is being displayed. So that's how you can add multiple images in your photo in Photoshop. Now you can also erase this one with the different style as well. For example, this one. So as you can see, it feels like this photo is just part of this image. So that's how you can create multiple photos or images in the same photo in Photoshop. Thanks for watching this video.